Everyone seems to be opening a trades on these platforms, and if you're wondering how to do it, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open up a broker account. When it comes to trading, you need three things. Number one, you need the time to go and understand how the market works and how to make money. Number two, you need a trading platform, so TradingView if you're available or if you know what TradingView is. And number three, a broker, so a broker to execute the trade ideas that you have to be able to make money or lose money. And Simplefx is the one we're going to be using as an example today. It actually has TradingView integrated, so you can use the chart in their app as well, so pretty much like a two-in-one. They also have like education parts of it, but you can get the education from YouTube or Baby Pips and then a trade on their platform. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can open up your own personal broker account. Right, so this is the landing page for Simplefx, and what they're doing is at the moment they're sponsoring us and helping you guys get up to $5,000 worth of bonuses. Plus there's actually free signals and loads of other goodies that we're working with them on. So once you put in your email and you type it in, you can pretty much just put in your email address and accept the terms and conditions, and they'll send you an invite. You set your password, and then here we've got up to 24 different methods of deposits. So you've got USDT here, which you can have like stake and trade. And then as soon as you click onto deposit, you have to create an account and also do your KYC. So on the KYC, it's just a simple one. Most of the time use SVG, it's just which jurisdiction you want to be verified by. They suggest, and what I did was SVG. If you want to do Mauritius, you can. All you have to do is basically prove like an identity document, like a driving license or whatever it is, and then just follow the instructions from there. Now, once you've got that, you should be able to do your deposit. You could deposit whatever trading amount you wish to deposit or trade with. Realistically, I think that you should deposit anything more than $50 to $100 just to kind of get around with the platform, because you need to open some trades to really understand how to trade, how the markets work, and set everything up from there. So each kind of payment processing is not always supported by, depending on the corresponding country. I recommend you just kind of go through and see which one works for you. For example, like if I use crypto at the moment to fund it, but you can also use like your cards or whatever it is you want to do just to kind of make your payment, or like a credit card and the fees from there. So here we can just do a test amount of $100, just type, or $200, well $100 will be easier. Let's just go with $100. I'm going to put in my details and then deposit this. Although I do actually have a 20k trading account already, I'm just doing this as a tester to kind of show you guys what will happen. And then from here, pretty much is that simple. You literally deposit in less than like 2 minutes. So that shows you how to open an account. Not only does it show you how to open an account, it also shows you quickly how to do the KYC. And then after the KYC, we also have deposited $100 into the account, and then it shows it's credited there. So literally in less than like 2 minutes, we have now got the account set up, and obviously $100 deposited as well. Little tutorial and walkthrough of the actual platform. So now that you've logged in, you've deposited, and you've got your accounts up, we have obviously an amazing trade that's running at the moment. On this left hand side here, you can basically click your dashboard. Here's your profile, what you earn, and you can also earn their crypto coin. If you want to refer them, account deposit settings, and just kind of like a main little profile on the left hand side. You've also got your profile button here, any achievements, and your notifications, and then your accounts. Alongside with that, down here at the bottom, you have your open trades. You can click which hides. You've got your pending, you've got your closed. It's just basically your trades that you have. It's currently on the weekend, so I can't open any like fake or demo trades for you at the moment to take these trades to show you. But up here on the left hand side, you can literally click a buy or sell for one-click trading. What I mean by one-click trading is just simply put, you can just click straight away and it opens your position to buy or sell. So you can have 0.01, or if you want to change the size, you can do 2, or however many ounces of gold you want to buy. Down here you have deposit, but you can also do new order as well. On this new order, this is a little bit better for those to kind of understand a little bit more. So for example, if you wanted to have your position at say like 1 lot, you would then know the trade value of your account. So it's 100,000. Normally 1 lot means you're 100,000 of it, or 100 troy ounces. Then the required margin that you need, so how much money you actually need into your account. So we need a minimum of $13,000 to open this trade. Then the free margin that we currently have is like 14,000 there. You can have your trade profit and stop loss if you want to set those. So for example, if we said we were to do it at 3,200, and then if you wanted your take profit price to be like 3,475. It kind of roughly shows you, well, because obviously right now you can't see it because the markets are closed, you can't see how much it would make you or lose. So if I do 3,200, sorry, I got it the wrong way around, 3,475, let's call it. So then here it would tell you if I was to hit take profit here, I'd make $23,000. If I was to hit stop loss, I'd lose $3,874. So that goes to show you, if I can't put it in right, it won't let you put the stop loss above. What this basically means as well is when the trade hits this basically means take profit. So when price comes to this area, it's going to close the trade, and as it's going to close the trade, you are going to make a total of $46,126. And if the trade hits your stop loss or it comes to this price at 3,200, you are going to lose 3,874. Now, this is what we call market trading. So that means opening the price at the current market price that we have right now. Now, for example, let's just say you think price is going to come down to 3,150, and then you want to set a pending order here. This is what we call a pending buy, right? So you can click on a new order. You can click on pending. As you click on pending, you can say the price I want that to be is 3,150, and then you can have your take profit and stop loss again. So it's just say I want this, if this goes below 3,100, I want to get out the trade. This is going to retrace and then hit, let's just say 3,400. So therefore I know that I'm going to make $250 or I'm going to lose $50 on this trade. And then if I was to put one lot, that's obviously going to be a lot more as well. You can also have the expiry date, so expiry date of the trade. So if you have a pending order, if it doesn't hit by X amount of time, then the trade will be void, which is also known as just that the trade will just be removed or deleted. Now, one of the great things as well is that this is most brokers, but in Simplefx in this scenario, is TradingView is integrated in here. So you can basically use a lot of the tools and then trade off of your charts. You can see my entry buys are down here, which is at 2946, and it's basically showing you the buy entries. I also had a day trade buy there, and then I've kind of just left this account going. You can basically draw your rectangle and draw your zones across the board, and if you want to get a strategy, we will be doing a free worksheet and guides down below. You can also do your trend lines. Basically all the tools that you would need are necessary are completely here. If you want to go through them, you can remove them, and as you hover your cursor over it, you'll be able to kind of see what it says. So for example, trend line, and then you can click onto it and down, and then you can also share your charts and snapshots with your friends in the trading community or whatever it may be. Down here on the bottom right is your equity, so how much you have in your trading account, your profit and loss off of, you see, floating of your trades, and then your free margin off of your account. On the right hand side here as well, we have the economic calendar. You have any recent news that could be affecting the markets. There could be some news TVs, trading ideas that are shared by other people, and then insights by Simplefx themselves. So this is the platform. You can get up to $5,000 if you just go and check on the landing page how to get them. Obviously myself, we are giving signals for free as well. All you have to do is just make one live trade. We will change this condition as we grow more and more. This is constantly open at the moment. Not only that, we are going to be giving away more bonuses coming soon. So that's if you wanted to trade with Simplefx, but most other brokers are very similar in their process. You just got to find what works for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Not only have I showed you how to open up an account, if you want a beginner's guide for free, not only a beginner's guide, I've got a prop firm guide. I've also got plenty of worksheets. There's also a $5,000 bonus and also free signals. All you have to do is go and open an account with Simplefx and then submit your email on a ticket. And that's it. And then we'll give you every bonus that we've basically opened up at that period of time of when you submit a ticket, and you'll be able to claim that way. See you inside.